Dear friends, in this video, today we will get to know about GSTR2 reconciliation. Firstly, we will get to know what is GSTR2. Now, as you purchase from any of the party, so it will be a sale for those from whom you have purchased. And then, whichever party has done the sale, they have to show all the data of the number of sale or supplies in their GSTR1. And as they fill their GSTR1, so whichever party has done the purchases from them, the details of those will be auto-populated month-wise on GST Portal in the GSTR2. And in whichever month they have shown their purchase, it will be shown in the same month only in GSTR2. And in Marg software, you have the provision due to which you can reconcile your GSTR2 easily. You don't need to log in on portal again and again for download the purchase bill to match them. You can download the purchase bill in the software and can match them. You can check in the software that the sale which party has uploaded on GST Portal and the purchase which is shown to you is getting matched or not. So now, let's see its process. So for this, firstly you have to enable API access on GST Portal, for which you will go to www.gst.gov.in and click on login and then mention your username and password. Then whatever characters will be shown to you here in this image, now you will mention here and do login. Then now you will go to top right side and click on my profile from here. Then from quick links, you will click on manage API access and now select yes here from enable API request. After this, we will select duration, like if you will select 6 hours here and confirm. So at the time of GSTR2 reconciliation, you will receive the OTP on your registered mobile number, which will be valid for 6 hours. Means you can download the number of JSON files in 6 hours. And after 6 hours, when you will go again to reconcile, then you have to provide the OTP again to download JSON file. And if you select 30 days like this, so you can download number of JSON files in 30 days and you have to provide OTP again after 30 days. So you can select duration here according to you and do confirm. After this, now let us see how you will reconcile GSTR2 from Marg software. For this, you will go to taxation, then click on GSTR settings. Now you will mention that username in GST and username from whom you have registered on GST Portal. And now do OK. After this, go to taxation, then to reconciliation, then select the period that from which to which month you want to reconcile GSTR2. And then you will click on show. And if you want, then you can change the period by clicking here on change. Now you will see GSTR2 reconciliation screen will open like this. And now, of whichever month you want to reconcile GSTR2, click on that month from here. Like click on April, and as you will download here and there is internet connectivity in your system, so JSON will be automatically downloaded from GST Portal. And after that, you can reconcile them. And if we select manual, then it means if you have already JSON file, then you will click on manual and do OK. And then select JSON file and reconcile it. So for now, we will click on download and do OK. So as 6 hours or 30 days will be selected. So whenever you will click on download first time, software will ask you OTP firstly. After entering the OTP, now software is asking you to download GSTR2A JSON of the month of April. So we will do yes. And as you will do yes, then you will see that the data which is in JSON file will be shown here. Like here, total number of entries, taxable amount, CGST, SGST, IGST, cess, and total tax will be shown to you. And the entry which is shown to you in black, that entry is indicating the total entries. The entry which is in green, it means those invoices are matched. Similarly, the entry which is in red, it means those invoices are mismatched, means invoice value is different on GST Portal and the value of the invoice which is made in the Marg software is different. And the entry which is in purple, it means those invoices are not uploaded on GST Portal. Similarly, the entry which is in blue, it means those invoices are not made in Marg software. After this, if you want to see the detail of any entry, like we want to see the detail of matched invoices, then simply you will double click on it or you will click on detailed from here. So in this way, the detail of number of matched invoices will be shown, like customer name, invoice number, invoice date, GSTIN, invoice value will be shown. After this, the taxable amount, tax rate and the tax amount under the auto-populated, which is shown, is that amount which seller has uploaded on GST Portal while filling GSTR1. And under Marg GSTR2 data in taxable amount, tax rate and tax amount, those invoices amount is shown, which you have created in Marg software. Now if you want, then you can click on save from here and you can save the status of reconciled entries. And there is an option in GSTR3B that if you want to have GSTR2 from reconcile entry, then figures will come from GSTR2 reconcile entry. Otherwise, they will pick those figures from software accounting books. And after this, if you want, then you can export it in the Excel. Then if you want to view its summary, then click on summary from here. Similarly, if you want to see the total invoices here, so after selecting the total entry, simply click on detailed. So in this way, all invoices will be shown to you here, like matched, mismatched, not uploaded, and the detail of the number of invoices of absent in Marg will be shown to you as well. So for now, as we click on the summary, after this you can select from invoice type that you want to see B2B invoice or want to see debit credit notes. Then you can see from invoice status that how many invoices are matched. So the total number of matched invoices will be shown to you here. Similarly, the total number of invoices which are not uploaded will be shown here. So in this way, you can see the invoice status here. So in this way, you can reconcile your GSTR2 easily from Marg software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.